In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply promo codes on Glovo app. Let's say you have the option to get a discount on some certain products or things you already buy, and someone give you a promo code or you find a promo code online. So that is how you can apply it so that you'll be able to enjoy the amazing offer. All you just have to do, just log into your Glovo app, then on the top left icon, just click on that icon, then scroll down, then you're gonna see promo codes. Just click on that. Then if you have any promo code, just type in right there, and then you can click on apply. Then if the promo code is valid, it's gonna tell you that the promo code is valid and you can use it for either rider for food delivery, or you can also use it to buy anything in store, restaurant, or groceries. You can also click on this question top right to see how promo code works. You can see promo code can be applied to your order and Prime subscription. Promo code for order are automatically applied, and only one can be used per order. Most promo code have an expiry date, so you get what I mean. So just click on got it, and then that is how you can enjoy your promo code on Glovo app.